Kapamilya star Catherine Bernardo celebrated her 28th birthday with close friends on a yacht. As seen on Mark Baumgartner and Earl Semitara Instagram stories. Catherine was happy with close friends and celebrities such as Dominic Roque, Jericho Rosales and Rambo Nunes, to name a few. After the yacht party, the celebration continued in an isolated island. Maymay Entrata was seen singing her hit song, Ama Kabagera, at the party. Among those who also attended Catherine's party were her Hello Love Goodbye co-stars Maymay, Lovely Abella, Kakay Bautista and Alden Richards. Mayga namin. Happy birthday, we love you so much. Lovely wrote on Facebook. Fans of Catherine and Alden, meanwhile, commented their clamor for a Hello Love Goodbye sequel. Finally, joy is back to Ethan's life. Hello Love Goodbye Part 2 please, an Instagram user commented. Mas okay si Alden kesa kay DJ sa totoo lang at deserve ni Kath ng totoong pagmamahal, another user commented.